So I got my first chance to use this Ryobi nailer up until now. Well, I'm 36 years old. My entire life I've just been nailing in things by hand. Didn't start using a lot of tools, these cordless tools, until last year. If you're new to this, it wouldn't hurt to have a practice area. In this case, I'm using a table that's really crappy and just practicing shooting some nails. So from here, you could see how the nails go in, and then you can make adjustments on the tools to, if it's going in too deep or not deep enough. You can adjust the air pressure and the depth. There's a lot of videos out there showing how to do that, and they'll do it a lot better than I will. But yeah, I'm happy with this tool. It's a little heavy, but the cordless is definitely nice to have. I would highly recommend this.